In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious orange marmalade recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 10 oranges, 1 lemon, and 3 cups of sugar. We're going to take the peel off of the oranges, but we're going to make sure not to get too much of the white part. Cut the orange peel into small pieces. We're going to peel the lemon without peeling too much of the white part. Cut into small pieces. Cut all the oranges and lemon in half. Juice each of the oranges and the lemon. Add 5 cups of orange juice into a pot. Add in the orange and lemon peels. Add in the sugar. We're going to place on heat and simmer for 1 hour. Once our marmalade starts to become thick, we're going to test it by placing a little bit on a plate and placing it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Our marmalade turned out to be a little bit runny, so we're going to cook it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to test it again. Our marmalade isn't runny, which means that it's finished cooking. Remove from heat. Cool until all the air bubbles disappear. Transfer the marmalade into glass jars with lids. Screw the lids onto the jar. Cool overnight at room temperature. Now you can spread your jam onto anything you want. Our homemade orange marmalade is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.